Yes, Rossie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, every door. Everything in the house flood out. When I talk about everything, everything. No bed, no there for sleep on. Settee, where you could have rest in. Phone, where you could have make phone call and video for sure. Everything flood out and we want back every single piece of
So what happened when you were sleeping? And
we were sleeping.
Yeah, and?
We were sleeping,
Yeah.
hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. And we want back everything. Because from we live here on Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just one out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street. So here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and me never see it yet.